YouTube, what's going on? I am Toy and welcome to Travel with Toy. Guess where I am at? Yes, I am at Resort World Las Vegas. Oh my God, I am so excited. So I am staying at the CONRAD, which is right behind me. Now, the Resorts World has 3 different hotels. That includes the Hilton side, the CONRAD side, and the Croxford side. So I'm staying in the CONRAD side, which is a step up from the Hilton side, and then the Croxford side is the ultimate luxury. So I'm kind of like in between, but this is the newest hotel here on Las Vegas Strip. It is the newest, hottest thing. It was built in 2021, and honey, we are here. I cannot wait. It is the newest hotel built on the Vegas Strip, and it cost $4.3 billion. Can you guys even grasp that amount of money? So yeah, this is the newest hotel on the Strip, and it's called the Resorts World. And like I said, it has 3 different hotels: the Hilton, the CONRAD, and the Croxford. And I'm staying at the CONRAD, which is right behind me, right here, the CONRAD. Yeah. So guys, let me take you on this trip of the CONRAD. I really want to kind of do like a whole thing of the Hilton and the Croxford, but I have to come back and show you some more of the other 2 sides. But I am staying currently at the CONRAD, so let's get into it because I'm having a great time. So like I said, guys, I'm staying at the CONRAD Resorts World in Las Vegas, Nevada. And I'm going to give you all the ins and outs of everything. I do have a room tour for you, so you can look at that, check that out. And then I'm going to show you everything, like from the pool to the eateries to everything they have to offer here at the Resorts World. Now, I'll let you guys know I am definitely here with my baby girl. I'm here with my 1-year-old. So I'm going to show you how it is to be in Vegas with a 1-year-old. I mean, I can't show you everything as far as the restaurants and the nightclubs, but I can show you a lot that I can, that you can see and get a feel for the resort. So, for right now, let's get into the lobby, okay? The lobby of the CONRAD. This is the beautiful lobby of the CONRAD. And I mean, I just thought it was gorgeous. The lighting, the decor, everything. And they also had this nice bar right when you came in. And actually anybody can come at that bar. It doesn't have to be anyone that stays at the hotel. And you can come and have a cocktail. At night, I've seen them have a guy playing the piano. So definitely look for that. This is the famous Street Eats. So I was super psyched to look at this whole area. And it was pretty big. It had a lot of different choices of food for you to eat. Plus it had the bar in the middle, so that definitely was a plus. They had a lot of seating, and they had this like stage. So I don't know if that was for performances, but I didn't see any, but I'm pretty sure it's for performances. I did eat some of the food, and it was good. What I had was nachos. And it was from this place called Micho Nachos, but it was really good. And I had a street taco, very nice. And this is a Coca-Cola in the glass bottle, honey. Also tried some of the, I think it was like some sort of rice and chicken, but that was good too. Getting into the district was a compilation of restaurants, retail, nightlife, everything. So coming into this space was really, really pretty. I mean, they had that big sphere back there. It was really cool. The lighting was just perfect. right here was a lounge called the Gatsby. I didn't get a chance to go in, but it looked really cool and really nice. This was a restaurant called Kusa Nori, and it's pretty much a Japanese bistro and fine dining experience. And they also have a sushi bar and teppanyaki grills, so definitely try that out. So now you guys do know that this used to be the old Stardust Hotel, the infamous Stardust, and they were just paying homage to it with a little sign there in the lobby. This right here was Craig's vegan ice cream, and I didn't try it, but it sounds interesting. I think next time I might go in and try some. But it had, you know, cones and everything like that, all types of stuff. So it's interesting. I think I'll try that next time. People say that the CONRAD kind of looks like a mall, but I'm not mad at it. Like, it really is really pretty. And it has a lot of retail shops. And the lighting is wonderful. Yes, it does have multiple floors. But I think it was a really nice space. I mean, this lighting is just really getting me. Like, I love it. Red Tail is a really cool restaurant, and it's a social lounge for all ages. It has an arcade, live entertainment. It also has 3 private karaoke rooms. So if you ever get a chance to try Red Tail, definitely do. The Mulberry Street Pizzeria. Now, I did try this pizza, and I'll wait to give you my review later on. Probably not in this video, but I did try that pizza, and I will let you know my take on it. And next to the pizza restaurant was a statue of Mike Tyson. Not really sure why he was there, but it was definitely a statue of Mike Tyson. So, hey, there you go. Now here at the end is Zouk nightclub. They do have Zouk nightclub and AU day club. Zouk nightclub is only open on Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturdays. Right here will be pretty much a full walkthrough of the casino here at Resorts World. Let me tell you, this casino is really nice. I mean, the machines that they had were really bright, really new, really interesting, and I mean, really state of the art. So you will have a great time sitting here and putting your money where your mouth is, okay? And the casino, it's like I want to say it's like a good old rectangle. So, and the lighting in here is really good. It's bright. It's not like a dark casino. It's very bright, very lively. So it makes you want to sit here and just spend all your money. another view of the famous food street eats entrance. And I'm just gonna walk through there because it's right alongside of the casino, just to give you another look, another view, another angle of the whole food court at the famous food street. Micho's Tacos. This is where I got my tacos from. And let me tell you, they were so delicious. They also have those margaritas in different flavors. I didn't try those, but I heard that they were good too. But the tacos here and the nachos were really good. This is the massive casino bar, and it's really big and it had plenty of seats, so you won't have a problem finding a seat or a drink. This was a place called Tiger Sugar, and it pretty much had all kind of teas. So if you were into teas, they had all kind of flavored, different kind of teas. So I thought that was interesting as well. Here at Resorts World, they do have a speakeasy lounge, and it's called Kitty Kitty. Now, it doesn't say Kitty Kitty because it's hidden, but let me give you a hint. It's right there next to the Foo Shack. So it's right in the food court, and you just have to kind of look for it. So there's a hint. It's right next to the Foo Shack, and it's right there with the little blue window. You're welcome. And hey, just a heads up, these restaurants right here at the end of the food court, they are not open during the week. So they're most likely open during the weekend. And we found out the hard way. So yeah, if you were trying to get some of those restaurants, again, they are mostly open on the weekends and not the weekdays. another sports bar. It was called the Doghouse, and it's really big inside. It has a lot of screen TVs, so if you want to watch some sports, this is definitely the place to go, and the food was good as well. Right here is an area exclusive to the Croxford's Club members. This is the end of the casino tour, but make sure you stick around for part 2, where I give you a full room tour and a full tour of the Resorts World pool, and also check out some additional restaurants. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more travel content, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.